Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best drag links is probably one of the most crucial components in your vehicle's steering system, especially if you're into high-performance driving or drag racing. This often overlooked part directly influences your car's handling, responsiveness, and overall control. Today, we're diving deep into the world of drag links, exploring what makes a great one, and helping you choose the perfect upgrade for your ride. Number 5. MOOG ES3624 Steering Drag Link for Jeep Wrangler. This steering drag link is designed to fit a range of vehicles. It is compatible with certain Dodge Ram and Jeep Wrangler models. Make sure it fits your vehicle before purchasing. Before you buy, use the Amazon Confirmed Fit tool. Enter your vehicle's details to confirm compatibility. Check any additional notes for important information. This drag link helps restore like-new steering. Its design minimizes looseness and reduces bearing wear. This promotes a longer life for the part. The greasable socket helps prevent rust and wear. It allows new lubricant to flush out debris. This feature helps extend the product's lifespan. The Belleville preload washer helps keep the bearing tight. This design absorbs impact as the bearings wear. This ensures the product's durability. The metal-to-metal design provides strength. It allows grease to flow through the bearing surface. This reduces friction and extends the product's life. The ball studs are heat processed to meet or exceed OE requirements. This inhibits premature failure and improves fatigue strength. This ensures the product's strength. What we like. This drag link restores steering to like-new condition, thanks to its patented design. It also features a greasable socket to inhibit rust and wear. If you're looking to refresh your Jeep Wrangler steering and ensure longevity, this is the one for you. What people say. The drag link is a solid piece and the tie rod ends are beefy. Installed this on my Jeep and it fit perfectly. This drag link is a great upgrade. Number 4. MOOG DS300040 Steering Drag Link for Ford F-250 Super Duty. This part is designed to fit Ford F-250 Super Duty models from 2011 to 2016, as well as F-350 Super Duty models within the same year range. Make sure it fits your vehicle before purchasing. Before you buy, use the Amazon Confirmed Fit tool to verify compatibility. Input your vehicle's year, make, model, engine, and trim. If there's an I icon, check the notes for more details. The design allows grease to flow through the bearing. This feature helps to ensure smooth operation and long-lasting performance. The cover plate design allows for tighter tolerances. This results in a more durable part compared to traditional designs. The exclusive cover plate protects the bearing surface. It prevents debris from getting inside, ensuring the part's longevity. The full ball metal stud provides 360-degree rotational movement. This feature results in more responsive and smoother steering. What we like. This drag link is designed for durability, featuring a powdered metal gusher bearing and a patented cover plate. The full ball metal stud provides smooth movement. If you drive a Ford F-250 or F-350 Super Duty and demand responsive steering, you should consider this. What people say. Product is well built, better than stock and easy to install. Replaces the portion of the drag link that connect to the pitman arm for 2013 F-350 comes unpainted with hardware. Boots were pre-installed. Product as described, worked great. Number 3. Ford Inline 6, Rebuild and Modify Guide. Today, we're diving into the Ford Inline 6 engine. This iconic engine has powered countless vehicles over the years. We'll explore its history and why it remains a favorite among enthusiasts. First, we'll take it apart, step by step. This process is crucial for understanding the engine's components. Following these steps will ensure you can rebuild it correctly. Next, we'll clean and inspect each part. This step is essential to identify any wear or damage. Proper cleaning ensures the engine runs smoothly after reassembly. Now, it's time to put it back together. We'll guide you through the reassembly process. Following the instructions carefully will bring this engine back to life. Finally, we'll explore modifications to enhance performance. You can upgrade this engine for more power and efficiency. These modifications can make it even better. What we like. NA. What people say. The drag link is a solid piece and the finish is great. Installed this on my Jeep and it fit perfectly. This drag link is a huge upgrade over the stock one. Number 2. Craftsman 59706980 drag link, genuine replacement. This is a genuine Craftsman replacement part. It's designed to replace the 5835133301 drag link. Make sure to consult your owner's manual for proper identification and installation. This part is a genuine Husqvarna replacement. It comes new and bulk packed. This ensures that it is in perfect condition when it arrives. This is a genuine OEM homelight replacement part. It is made to the original manufacturer's specifications. This ensures the best fit and performance. Always consult your owner's manual. This will help you identify the correct part number. It will also guide you through the proper installation process. Please refer to the compatibility list. This will help you confirm that it is the correct part for your specific model. This ensures a perfect fit and function. What we like. This is a genuine Husqvarna replacement part. If you need a direct replacement for your Craftsman, this is the perfect option. It's a reliable choice for maintaining your equipment's performance. What people say. Installed with no problem. Works as well as OEM. Fit just like it should and replaced in minutes on my Craftsman yard tractor. Number 1. HD Switch Steering Drag Link Kit for Husqvarna Craftsman. This adjustable steering drag link kit is engineered for optimal performance. It allows for wheel alignment, preventing damage from toe in or toe out, ensuring a smoother ride. The kit features a super strong 360-degree crimp, making it 50% stronger than standard designs. This enhanced durability ensures that it can withstand tough conditions. Crafted from 4130 steel with a zinc coating, this kit offers improved wear resistance and rust prevention. This ensures that it lasts longer and performs better. The kit includes plastic wear guides and new lock nuts, providing everything you need for a straightforward installation. This makes it easier to get your equipment back in top shape. This kit is designed to fit Husqvarna, Craftsman, and Poulan Pro models. It is a direct replacement for several part numbers, making it a versatile solution. What we like. This drag link offers adjustable ends for wheel alignment and features a super strong crimp design. The zinc coating improves wear resistance. If you need a drag link that offers adjustability and durability, this is the one for you. What people say. These are definitely stronger than the old ones. Easy to install. Very nice, better than OEM, adjustable. They fit perfect, easy to install and adjust. Well made to boot. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.